Everyone, I'm Pam Allen, and I teach women how to use AI in their business. And I have a confession to make. This year, I pretty well broke up with ChatGPT and went to Claude. I did. I was all in on Claude, and then Claude started acting weird. And when I say weird, I mean the outputs were just I just, yeah, I, Claude and I went back and forth. I was very discouraged, and and but Claude had projects. Claude had things that would actually do the work instead of just ideas, right? That's how I had it. I had Chatty for ideas, I had Claude for the work, and then I had Manus for like making the landing pages, making YouTube thumbnails, things that were big. That was my workflow until Chatty came back in my life, and now we are a thing again. And I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with Claude. I don't know yet. Because this might be, the shiny new thing. I don't know, but so far I'm really loving ChatGPT Work. Now, I'm not going to make anything like very confusing. You're going to have to go do this code or codex or anything like that. I'm not going to teach that. That's somebody else. I don't do that. I use AI to help me save hours in my workflows. And when I say workflows, I mean like what I do in my job. Not in my job, in my business. We're going to make this video very short and sweet, and then our next one, I'll be showing a bit more. All right. We already know that ChatGPT can answer a question, correct? Can we all agree on that, right? It can answer questions, it can give us ideas, it can write email, it can do all of that, right? But it is supercharged now, supercharged. When you come into ChatGPT, you will see two things here. One is the chat, and that's where you ask. That's where you have a convo, okay? A convo, like create an image or edit, look something up, okay? But then if you go over to work, over here, you see reply to Vanessa's comment. Well, you won't have that. I have that. Prep Thursday's Build-A-Bot post. Draft Friday's monetized inbox. How does it know that? Because I've been in here working with Chatty, and I have attached some plugins, and I've put in some business info. What we need to do here, oh, and look, you can choose a project. That is what, and I know people don't want to put their Gmail or anything. I know that. If you don't want to do that, that's perfectly fine. You don't have to do that. Now, I will show you that over here, there's plugins that you can use. There's all kinds of things. I have my Apple Music installed just in case it wants to give me a playlist. I do have slides, I have Canva, I have my documents. I did this one a long time ago. I have my Gmail, I do have my calendar, I do have Drive, I have HighLevel, and I have Notion, and there's some templates. I have to look at that. I haven't dug deep in that. And then I have a PDF, presentations, and spreadsheets. Now there's some things down here that you can come and if you want to do this. Notion is a good thing. If you use Notion, Chatty and Notion can chat now. That. Google Calendar, even ClickUp or Asana. Yeah. Canva, yes, we've been able to do that for a bit, but there's a little bit more now, which is awesome. And then the developer tools. Like I said, if you know all that, awesome. I don't do that here yet. Sales, hubs, things like this. I don't have, none of these I don't have right now. I wish it would just connect to my stuff. And then data, if you want data and communications. There's even Slack here. Okay? Zoom. I can add Zoom. I might do that down the road, but I don't, at this moment, I don't need it. I'm only going to do things that I need at the moment. I can do Stripe. Feels a little weird to me, so I won't do that. You can do a calorie check. You can do calorie count. You can do your Peloton, Fitness Out. There's all kinds of things. You can do your Expedia, Trip, eDreams. My goodness, there's all kinds of things on here. You can, Terra, oh, I haven't heard that site for a while. Spotify, Uber Eats, podcasts. Etsy. Oh, I didn't even know you could do Etsy. DoorDash. Okay. I might have to look into some of these, but I'm just saying. Skills. Skills too. I have it makes skills. We have to make some skills now. I haven't really done the skills in here because I have just been setting them up as projects. But now that I know that we can do skills in here, oh please, 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 please. All right. So there we go. The skills is going to be a whole nother video. Oh my God. Plugins, skills. There is scheduled things that they can do for you. I have 5 of them. I'm going to, or you can get up to 5. I'm going to showcase this probably in the next couple of days, but this is freaking amazing as well. There's more than I'm going to get into. Let's see here. There's finances, sites. We can make sites. I'll get into that, but not right now. Now, this week, I'm just going to be talking about how we can help, how chat work can help us do our work. All right. Now, let's see here. I'm just going to go up here. As you can see, if I wanted to do something, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and do this one. Because it attached it to my calendar, so it knows that I need to make a post. This is crazy. See, it's reading a Google Calendar daily brief skill. It's not a skill that I set up, but this is amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at here. Look at here. I am so excited about coming back with Chatty, my first love of AI. Just saying. Now, subscribe, like, and follow. Well, subscribe and follow is probably the same thing. If you like these, I'm just a normal online entrepreneur in her 50s that just makes money.